In this video, you'll learn how to find your Steam ID on a mobile device. Many people use Steam for gaming, but locating your Steam ID can be a bit tricky if you're not using a computer. First, if you don't have the Steam mobile app installed, head over to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Steam and download the official app, developed by Valve Corporation. Once the app is installed, open the Steam app and log into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. After entering your profile section, look for an option labeled Account Details and tap on it. This section contains important information related to your account. At the top of the Account Details page, you'll see your account name. Directly below it, you'll find your Steam ID, which is usually displayed as a long string of numbers. To copy your Steam ID, simply tap and hold on the number until a copy option appears. Tap it, and your Steam ID will be saved to your clipboard.